Welcome to this lesson on why cryptocurrency matters. Today, we're going to explore the real-world problems that cryptocurrency aims to solve. Understanding these problems will help you see why millions of people around the world are turning to digital currencies as an alternative to traditional financial systems. Let's dive in and discover how cryptocurrency is making a difference in people's lives. 1.4 billion people worldwide lack access to traditional banking services. That's almost 1 in 5 adults who cannot open a bank account, save money safely, or access credit. Cryptocurrency solves this problem by providing financial services without requiring a bank account. All someone needs is internet access and a smartphone. This means people in remote areas or countries with underdeveloped banking infrastructure can now participate in the global economy, send and receive money, and build their financial future. When people send money across borders using traditional methods like banks or wire transfer services, they typically pay 6 to 8% in fees for each transaction. For families relying on money sent from relatives working abroad, these high fees can mean losing hundreds of dollars every year. Cryptocurrency changes this dramatically. With crypto, transaction fees are usually only 1 to 3%, which means more money reaches the people who need it. This saves billions of dollars annually for families sending money across borders, allowing them to keep more of their hard-earned income. In countries experiencing hyperinflation, the local currency can lose value so rapidly that people's savings become worthless almost overnight. Imagine working your entire life only to watch your money lose its purchasing power in a matter of months. Cryptocurrency provides a solution by offering a stable store of value that operates independently of any government's monetary policy. People in countries facing economic instability can protect their wealth by converting their local currency into cryptocurrency, which isn't subject to the same inflationary pressures controlled by central banks. One of cryptocurrency's most powerful features is that no central authority can control it. Unlike traditional banking, where governments or financial institutions can freeze accounts or block transactions, cryptocurrency transactions cannot be stopped or reversed by any single entity. This provides financial freedom for people living under restrictive regimes where governments might limit access to money or prevent certain types of payments. It also protects individuals from arbitrary account freezes, ensuring they maintain control over their own funds at all times. Traditional international wire transfers through banks typically take 3 to 5 business days to complete. During this time, your money is in transit and unavailable to both the sender and receiver. Cryptocurrency completely transforms this experience. Crypto transactions are processed in minutes, not days, and they work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with no banking hours or holidays. There are no intermediaries slowing down the process, no delays for verification, and no waiting periods. Money moves directly from one person to another across borders almost instantly. Cryptocurrency operates on a public ledger called a blockchain, where all transactions are visible and verifiable by anyone. This transparency helps reduce fraud because every transaction can be traced and confirmed. At the same time, cryptocurrency uses advanced cryptographic security to protect user funds and personal data. This combination is powerful. It makes the system transparent enough to prevent cheating while still maintaining user privacy. The result is a financial system that's both more secure than traditional banking and more accountable. Let's recap what we've learned today. Cryptocurrency provides financial access to billions of people worldwide who don't have bank accounts. It dramatically reduces transaction costs and the time needed to send money, especially across borders. It protects people against inflation and censorship by operating independently of government control. And finally, it ensures transparency and security through blockchain technology. These aren't just theoretical benefits. They're real solutions helping real people overcome genuine financial challenges every day. Understanding these problems and solutions is fundamental to grasping why cryptocurrency has become such an important innovation in our modern world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.